Kung buhay lang si Itay, ipagmamalaki niya ako. Yun yung sinabi nitong 18-year-old guy. Kung buhay lang si Itay, ipagmamalaki niya ako. Inay, I want you to understand, kailangan mo maintindihan na kailangan ako ng bansa natin. Sabi ng nanay niya, ikaw na anak. You already. Biro lang. Pero that's actually true. Sabi niya, ay inay, kailangan ako ng bansa natin. And you know what? As short as that conversation was, this young person, 18-year-old man, young man believes that kahit 18-year-old lang ako, I am destined for greatness. Doesn't matter kung 18 lang ako, what my age is, I might be limited in terms of skills, in terms of understanding or talent, but it doesn't matter. I know I'm destined for greatness. And if you are sitting beside a young person, why don't you tell that person, you are destined for greatness? Diba? Kahit sige, kahit hindi mata, diba? Kahit mukha naman bata, sige, pwede na yan. All of us here in this place, we are destined for greatness. And you know what? This 18-year-old guy that I'm talking about is none other than Emilio Jacinto. Diba? Emilio Jacinto, you're familiar with Emilio Jacinto? Diba? The utak ng Katipunan, okay? The brains of Katipunan, the one who wrote Tartilla, which is actually a handout for people who are joining the Katipunan. And I personally decided to put up this, to make this story for all of us. Not to make, but to bring this story for all of us because of our Independence Day celebration. So para medyo may flavor naman tayo ng Independence Day. And I also decided to change my hairstyle kasi sabi nila kamukha ko daw siya. Dapat ang noo. Diba? So nakaka-offend. Sinabi ko yung buhok ko, diba? Para hindi nyo pagkamalang mukha akong bayani. Hindi po ako bayani. Okay, and this person, Emilio Jacinto, as young as he was, 18 years old, he believed that he's destined for greatness. Just like this person that we're looking into, diba? Moses, last week.